Ready to ditch the cash and level up your McDonald's game with Arch Card magic right from your phone. First, fire up your McDonald's app. Make sure you're logged in now. Look for the deals or rewards section, usually at the bottom of your screen, and tap on it. Sometimes the Arch Card option exists as a standalone tab. In that instance, access that particular function. Once in the Deals Rewards section, you'll want to find the Add Arch Card button. It could also say something like Load Arch Card or My Arch Card. Tap that to get started. Now it's time to load your Arch Card. You'll see fields to enter your Arch Card number and the security code, which is typically on the back of the card. Type those in carefully and tap Add Card. Great! Your Arch Card is now linked to your account. You should see your current balance displayed. You can always check your balance here in the future, too. Now, let's use it to pay when you're placing a mobile order. Get to the payment screen. And when selecting a payment option, instead of credit debit, you'd select Arch Card. If you have multiple Arch Cards loaded, you can pick the one you want to use. If your Arch Card doesn't cover the full amount, you can use another payment method for the remaining balance. Hit Place Order, and you're all set. Enjoy your McDonald's, paid for with the convenience of your Arch Card on the app. That's it. You've now mastered the art of using your Arch Card within the McDonald's app. Enjoy all the perks. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.